Have you noticed one thing? You understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because you don't practice daily English. You practice book English. Today's episode will change that. No pressure, no grammar stress, just real sentences you can use every single day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. Today, we are focusing on daily spoken English, the kind of English you use from morning till night. If you listen carefully and repeat with us, your confidence will grow naturally. Let's start with the morning. Good morning. I woke up early today. I feel fresh and positive. Today feels like a new beginning. I want to stay focused today. I am getting ready for the day. I will have breakfast now. I feel motivated this morning. Say these lines while brushing your teeth, while making tea, or while looking in the mirror. This is how English becomes natural. Now, imagine you are at home. I am at home right now. Please close the door. Can you help me for a minute? I am feeling a bit tired today. Let's sit and talk for a while. What are you doing right now? I will do it later. Thank you for your help. This is not classroom English. This is real-life English. Now you step outside. I am going out now. The weather is nice today. It's very crowded here. I am waiting for someone. I am on my way. Please wait for me. I will be back soon. This place feels comfortable. When you can speak like this, English stops being scary. Now, English for learning and work. I am learning something new today. I want to improve my English. I practice English every day. I need more practice. Please explain it again. Now I understand it better. This is very helpful for me. I will try my best. Fluency comes from daily repetition, not from perfection. Now the day is ending. Today was a long day. I learned something valuable today. I am feeling relaxed now. Let's watch something together. I need some rest. I am grateful for today. I am proud of myself. Tomorrow will be better. I will not give up. I believe in myself. If you speak even a few of these sentences daily, your English will improve without pressure. Don't rush. Don't compare. Just stay consistent. English is not difficult. You just need the right sentences at the right time every day. This is Hashmi English Tutor, helping you speak English with confidence and ease. Like the video, comment Daily English, subscribe for more spoken English podcasts.